The freeze is coming. Protect your green darlings with plant protection fabric by DeWitt. When it's cold out, you want to be under a blanket, and so do your plants. That's why you should buy plant protection fabric by DeWitt. This is the product to protect your plants. Protect your flowering annuals, bedding plants, and vegetables from severe cold and freezing. This is the 1.5 medium weight Supreme N-Sulte fabric. It's UV resistant. It allows for air and water to pass through the fabric so you can actually irrigate your plants through the fabric. This comes in various sizes and lengths, and it's reusable. Don't throw away the plastic sleeve when it's time to take up the fabric. Fold the fabric back up or re-roll it back on the roll. Put it back in the plastic sleeve for storage. The fabric is good for years, and it's easy to install. Just unroll or unfold the fabric, then place it loosely over your plants. Then you need to fix it in place using stakes like these. You can stake these every 2 or 3 feet or so, but don't pull the fabric so tight as to damage your plants. You just basically want to keep the wind from blowing under the fabric and lifting it away. Save your plants. Buy DeWitt Plant Protection Fabric and a package of tie-down stakes today on sprinklerwarehouse.com.